I am Bushra. Today I am giving a short speech about my home district. My home district name is Dinaspur. Dinaspur district is a district of Rangpur division. Dinaspur has 13 upazilas and 101 unions. The total area of this district is 3,437.98 kilometers. Dinaspur established in 1786. 1786. The main rivers of this district are Punarbhaba, Jhepa, and Atrai rivers. The famous places of this district are Kantoji Temple, Punarbhaba rivers, and Ramsagar, etc. Dinaspur is bounded by Thakurgaon and Panchgarh in the north, and Joypurhat and Gaibandha in the south, and Nilphabari and Rangpur in the east, and the state of West Bengal, uh, India in the west. Dinaspur is famous for its lychee. Dinaspur Central Shohid Minar is the second biggest Shohid Minar in Bangladesh. Uh, Dinaspur is a biggest district. That's all about my home district.